what is coding for kids? Coding for kids refers to the various ways that children can participate in coding. These possibilities are designed to be enjoyable and gamified in order to keep children's minds stimulated. Coding is sometimes referred to as programming or computer programming. Coding isn't always the same as traditional computer science, which you or your children may be averse to. In truth, coding is the language we use to speak with computers, and it's what we use to create and run websites, apps, games, and other applications. This communication is conducted in a variety of languages including Scratch, Python, Java, and C++.